Next topic, factorization by regrouping terms. Factorization by regrouping terms. Here 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x. It has 4 terms. Among these 4 terms, no common factor. Can you take first 2 terms together as first group? 2xy and 3. It has no common factor. Among these 2 terms, 2y and 3x also no common factor. Then 2xy and 2y has a common factor. 2xy and 2y, among these 2 terms, common factor 2y. 3 and 3x, 3 is a common factor. Then you should take 2xy plus 2y together, okay, plus 3 plus 3x together. Given expression, rearrange it, okay. Then 2xy plus 2y plus 3 plus 3x. These 2 terms have common factor. 3 and 3x also have common factor. So, first group you consider as a first group 2xy plus 2y and second group 3 plus 3x. Okay, here in this group 2 is a common factor, y also common factor. You take it outside, 2y into, inside the bracket you write it x plus 2y, already take it outside. What is the remaining factor is there? 1 is there, okay, 1 plus the same thing, 3 is a common factor, take it outside. 3 already taken out, taking outside, then 1 should be there, plus x. Here inside the bracket x plus 1, here also 1 plus x, both are same. Here in second step only 2 terms, 2y into x plus 1, second term 3 into 1 plus x. Here x plus 1 and 1 plus x are same, 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1. Okay, the same as x plus 1 equal to 1 plus x. These 2 are same factors. You take it outside, x plus 1. Remaining factors. In the first term, 2y remain there, 2y. Second term, 3 is remain there, plus 3 should be written there. Okay, but what are the factors of this expression? X plus 1 and 2y plus 3 are the 2 factors. Okay, then second question, 4x square minus 10xy minus 6xz plus 15yz. Okay, among these 4 terms, no common factor. Okay, so you should take, first you take 4x square minus 10xy together. Second group you can consider as what? 6xz plus 15yz. Otherwise, you can take what? 4x square and negative xz, you can take it together. Minus 10xy plus 15yz also take it together. Here regrouping may be possible more than one ways. Okay, then you can take 4x square and negative xz, okay, together. 4x square minus 6xz together. Anyway, you can choose that groups. Okay, 4x square minus 6z plus negative 10xy plus 15yz together. Here 2 into 2 into x minus 2 into 3 into x into z plus negative 2 into 5 into x into y plus 3 into 5 into y into z. 2 is a common factor, x also common factor, but 2x take it outside. Remaining factors you should write inside the bracket by distributive property. That means 2x minus, what is it? 3z. 3z. Okay. By distributive property, a into b minus a into b plus a into c equal to a into b plus c. Same thing, a into b minus a into c equal to a into b minus c. Okay, plus here common factor. What are the common factors? 5 common factors, y common factor, 5y is the common factor. Next minus 2x plus 3z. Okay. Here second step 2x into 2x minus 3z, this is the first term. Second term 5y into minus 2x plus 3z. Here negative sign is there, here no negative sign. Here from this bracket negative 1 take it outside and this expression becomes 2x into 2x minus 3z minus 5y, okay, into 2x plus 3z become what? Minus 3z. Okay, in these two terms 2x minus 3z and 2x minus 3z, it's a common factor. 2x minus 3z, take it together, okay, it's a common factor. Then remaining factor you should write inside the bracket 2x and minus 5y, 2x minus 5y. These are the two factors. What are the factors of 4x square minus 10xy minus 6z plus 15yz? 2x minus 3z and 2x minus 5y. These are the two factors of the given expression. Next here, a square plus bc plus ab plus ca. Here 4 terms are there. In these 4 terms, no common factor. Then first you should choose a square and plus bc. A square plus bc, no common factor, but a square plus ab have common factor. Take it together, a square plus ab together plus next bracket what's it? bc plus ca. Okay, a square plus ab plus bc plus ca. And a square plus ab, a is a common factor, remaining factor a plus b. By distributive property we can write it a into a plus b plus b into c plus c into a. By distributive property c common outside, b plus a. Okay. Here a plus b, b plus a, both are same. In these two terms, this is the first term, this is the second term. In these two terms, these two are what? Common factor. A plus b take it outside. A remaining factor you should write inside the bracket a plus c. A plus b into a plus c are the two factors of the given expression. Okay. Next one, xy minus pq plus qy minus ps. Here xy 4 terms are there. There's 4 terms, no common factor among these 4 terms. First 2 terms you take together, xy minus pq. Any common factor other than 1? No common factor. Can you take xy and qy together? Then you can take xy plus qy because y is the common factor, xy plus qy. Negative pq, negative pq and negative px. Negative sign also common factor. Okay. Negative pq and negative px. Here common factor is there. For next group, negative pq minus px. Here y is a common factor, y take it outside, okay, x plus q. Here negative p is a common, take it outside, negative p. Q, it negative q become what? Plus q. Here negative become what? Plus x. X plus q and q plus x both are same. Then in these two terms x plus q is a common factor. Take it outside, x plus q into remaining factor you should write inside the bracket, y minus p. These are the two factors. Okay. For regrouping terms, factorization by regrouping terms means what? Rearranging the terms. Okay. X plus q and y minus p are the factors. Okay. Next exercise 14.1. Question number 3, factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Here among these 4 terms no common factor. Okay, first you take the x square plus xy. In these two terms x is a common factor. You can take together as first group, 8x and 8y second group. Then x square plus xy consider as first group. Second group 8x plus 8y. Here in this first group x is a common factor, x into x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. X plus y and x plus y common factor. Okay, in these two terms x into x plus y, 8 into x plus y is a common factor. Take it outside x plus y. Remaining factor means what? X and 8. Another bracket, x plus 8 put another bracket, that means distributive property. Okay, x plus y and x plus 8 are the factors of the given expression. Okay, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Here 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Among these four terms, no common factor. Okay, then 15xy minus 6x, take it together. These two terms have common factor. But first you take 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2 together. Three into 5 into x into y minus 2 into 3 into x, okay, 6x plus 5y means what? 1 into 5 into y minus 1 into 2. Here 3x is a common factor, 3x common factor, take it outside 3x. Remaining factors you should write a 5y minus 2 plus, what's the common factor? 1 is the common factor, 1 take it outside, 5y minus 2. Okay, here both the terms, these two are second step, you got two terms. In these two terms 5y minus 2 is a common factor, take it outside, 5y minus 2 common factor, take it outside. Remaining factors to write in another bracket, 3x plus 1. Here also distributive property, 5y minus 2 consists a into b plus a into c, that means a into b plus c. This is a into b plus c. Okay, what are the factors? 5y minus 2 and 3x plus 1 are the factors. Last question, 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. Here four terms are there, no common factor among these four terms. Okay, first you consider first two terms, 15pq plus 15. Okay, it have common factor, but last two terms have no common factor, 9q plus 25p. Can you rearrange the terms? 15pq plus 9q, can you take it together, 15pq plus 9q? But these two terms take it together in one group, 15pq plus 9q should write in one group. Okay, so first group, second group 15 plus 25p. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into p into q plus 3 into 3 into q plus 3 into 5, 3 into 5 plus 5 into p. 3 common, only 3 common. Okay, next q also common, but 3q common, 5p plus 3 plus 5 common, 3 plus 5. 5p plus 3 and 5p plus 3 both are same, it's the same factor. In these two terms, these two are common 5p plus 3 is the common factor. Take it outside. 5p plus 3. Remaining factor should write inside the bracket. By distributive property, we can write it 3q plus 5, another bracket. What are the factors? 5p plus 3 and 3q plus 5. Homework question number 3. Same exercise question number 3, 3 and